Hey, how you doing, guys? Hope you're all having a great week. So this has been after being a massive, huge July month. We're after making some serious pips, like. So, alright guys, this is Tommy here from Trading with Harmony, and I'm going to be analysing the actual markets from August the 3rd to August the actual 7th. So guys, just stay to the actual end of the video, so I'll give you some great insight actually how you too actually could make these massive VIP members alerts trades that I send out to you guys in advance. So if you want to see that, stay to the end of the video and I'll give you some great insight about that too. Alright guys, see you after the intro. Alrighty then, so here we are with the actual euro dollar. So this week has been a massive week with the market. A lot of movement has happened in overall this week. So let's go into the, we're in the day, so you can see the actual, the bulls are in play, and let's go into the 4 hour. So in the 4 hour, last week we were at this point here. And basically I was talking about our TP1 and TP2 has been hit this week. So guys, if you've been on them trades, guys, well done. You would have picked up some really nice pips. You can see here TP1 was the 1.1734 and TP2 was the 1.1825. Okay, so for this week then, what I'm looking for then is for actual for price to bit more of a pullback I'm looking for this week. So if we can get a pullback from back into this area, what I'm looking for then for this week and beyond then is for price to come up and hit our new TP1 and then come back down quite possibly into this area and then up and hit our TP2 being the actual 1.1940. Okay, so the pound dollar. Okay, so we are in the day, so we can see here again another market that was big time in the bull play. So let's go into the actual 4 hours. So last week we were down at this point here, and it's after hitting our actual TP2 and shot past it like absolutely loads, like. So okay, so for this week then, what I'm looking for then is for price quite possibly come back down into this area up to our TP1 being our 1.3140 and then quite possibly a pullback and then up into our TP2 being the 1.3230 for this week and beyond in the pound dollar. Okay, so we're in the actual dollar yen. So it has shot down past our actual support level, but we got a big engulfing candle. So what I'm looking for then in the 4 hours is, so this week then we were at this, we finished at this point here, and it shot down and hit our TP. So that was the 105.38. So guys, if you're on that, well done. So let's see then, for this week then, what I'm looking for then is quite possibly we'll get a bit more of a pullback into this area, into the 106.50 and then down to our TP1, and quite possibly we'll get a pullback into this area and then down to our TP2 being the 104.72. Okay, so the dollar Canadian, so we can still see we're in the descending channel. So let's go into the 4 hour. So this week then we were at this, we finished at this point here, and I'm looking for price to continue down to hit our TP2 being the 1.3300. So quite possibly what we'll get this week is a bit more of a pullback before hopefully we'll see our move back down and hit our TP2 being the 1.3300. Okay, so the pound Aussie then. Okay, so you can see last week previously we hit our our support, which I've been talking about for several weeks. So now it looks like that the market direction has changed and the bulls are in play. So let's go into the 4 hour. Last week then we were down at this point here, okay, and what I was talking about, we were looking for a price to come up and hit our TP1, which it did. So guys, you're on that, well done. So we hit our 1.8246. so now what I'm looking for this week is a price to come back down into this level and to continue up and hit our TP2 being our 1.8370. Okay, so the euro yen, we can still see that the bulls are in play. So let's go into the 4 hour. So this week then price had finished at this level here, and what I was looking for was for price to come up and hit our TP1, so 124.90. so it hit our TP1. So this week what I'm looking for now is for price quite possibly to come back down into this level and then up into our TP2 being 126.50. Okay, so gold then again was big time in the bulls are in play. We can see it shot past our ascending channel. So let's go into the 4 hour. Okay, so last week we were at this point here, and I was looking for price to come up and hit our TP, which it did, was the 1919. So if you're on that trade, guys, well done. So let's see then. So for this week, what I'm looking for now is for price quite possibly to come back down into this level and come up and hit our new TP1 being the 2000. So we're in new territory now, so I'm still looking for price to continue up to the north. So this is what I'm looking for this week. So okay guys, so the Dow we can see here the last 2 days we had two big spikes down, but still the actual bulls are in play as far as I can see. So let's see then. So last week we were at this point here, we finished here, and what I was talking about for this actually support level to hold, which was the 26.17.0, which it pretty much is, and it's back into our ascending channel. So what I'm looking for now is for this week then is for price to hold at this level up here and to continue up and hit our TP2 being the 27.460. Okay then, so what this basically entails is actually the VIP member alert, so trade alerts, yeah, okay. So let's see exactly, I'm going to show you now exactly what that entails, okay. So the thing is that we have two different types of trade alerts, okay. So this is the first trade alert that the VIP members get, okay. So that's the alert to TWH, which is the day candle. So at Irish Standard Time, which is the IST, is 9:45 p.m. or 4:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time US. So what that is, so then basically you get alerts at in advance before that time, actually on 18 currencies. So these are the 18 currencies here underneath, which we will be getting signals for, so actually alerts for, okay. So that's the alerts one, okay. So the next one then is the actual the day candle and the 4 candle. So what that is then at 10 a.m., 2 p.m., 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. alerts will be sent to the VIP members in advance Irish Standard Time or US Eastern Time, which is 5 hours less than Irish Standard Time, okay. And that will be on the 8 market, which is the euro dollar, the pound dollar, the dollar yen, the dollar Canadian, the euro yen, the pound Aussie, gold and the Dow. Okay, so basically there's two different types of alerts that you guys will be getting. So okay, so the VIP members then, alright, so we have a huge July month, a really huge July month. So can I guarantee this every month? No, definitely not, you know, but definitely we will be on the winning side long term for sure. So what happened in this month, July? Okay, in terms of pips, this is what we made in terms of pips, in terms of actually the VIP members alerts. What we got was 5,373 pips for July. So guys, a really powerful, great month we had in overall. So that's really cool. So let's see then. Okay, so if you want, okay, to come on board, guys, what you need to do is to select one of the courses, right? Okay, so what that is either you want to select the Ultimate TW course, which is everything thrown in. Basically, it's all the basic, the advanced, all the software and the alerts and the actual fast track your trades and all the bonuses like that, with the which are thrown in for the actual Ultimate TWH course. And the advanced course is everything bar the basic stuff of the course training, which is the online videos. And that's basically the advanced, which is the advanced TWH course. Or else if you want to just go for just the trend software and the trade, the VIP members alerts and a few other bonuses like that, that's for this. And all you need to do then, guys, is just to come down here and either click whichever course you'd want, click here, and then that will bring you to the next stage and to the next stage. Okay, and then what happens then at the next stage then is you come to the pay, and it's PayPal. So what you do then is you just enter in my email address, which is the info@tradingwithharmony.com, and then I'll see you on the other side, guys. Okay, so that's it, guys, for this week. So hope you enjoyed the video. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the thumbs up and leave your comments, and I'll see you next week, guys. Alright, take care, have a good week.